So my name is Walid Azami. I have photographed Jennifer Lopez, Kanye West, Usher. I've worked with Madonna, Mariah Carey, Bernie Sanders, all these major global names and brands. And now I'm dedicated to helping photographers start their businesses. And I'm gonna help you guys figure out the roadmap, the bullseye for your business. All right, before I go into that, I want to remind you guys, at the end of this video, you are getting a free gift that is going to actually figure this entire thing out for you, and it's going to give you all the missing pieces that you need. Now, I'm going to go through 5 reasons, why an ideal client avatar is going to save your business. Number 1, you're actually going to work smarter, not harder. So every minute that you put into your business is going to probably pay out double than what you are doing now. What you're doing is you're avoiding talking to the whole market, and you're niching down to only the people who care about you, only the people who actually will appreciate your photography, and they're going to put money into your business. Number 2, every single social media post, doesn't matter where you post, is now going to be highly impactful because you are now addressing your ideal client avatar and nobody else. Let me give you an example of a company, 2 companies that have ideal client avatars. First of all, every major brand that you know has one. Every company that Creative Direct for now, I do this with them, and I make sure that they find out what their ideal client avatar is. It's key. So I'll give you an example. Toyota Camry and Subaru. Now, a Toyota Camry does not care what an 18-year-old driver thinks about their cars. They don't care that they don't think that they have sexy colors and a sexy design. They don't care. They're not after that because they know who their ideal client avatar is. They know what they're looking for. They know how much they're willing to pay. They know the features that are the most important for their ideal client avatar. For that reason, all of the money that Toyota puts into the advertisement of their cars, where they place their cars, where they do their experiential installments, where they put their dealerships, it's serving the people who their ideal client avatars are. They don't care about the Subaru crowd. They don't care about the Tesla crowd or the Maserati crowd. They're never going to buy a Toyota Camry. Now, at the same time, on this end, Subaru or Tesla, they don't care what the Toyota Camry crowd does, right? They have a different clientele. They care more about sleekness and style and a certain kind of capability that the car has. There's a different culture over here. So Subaru or Tesla, they don't advertise to Toyota Camry people. They know each company on both sides who is going to buy from them. They know what the male version is. They know what the female version is. Every company has it. Hilton has it. Pepsi Cola has it. Canon Camera has it. So now you're gonna have it because of this video and the free gift that I got for you at the end of the video. Number 3, when you know who your ideal client avatar is, your business is run faster and you're actually set up faster. You know who to do the logo for. You know who to do the business cards for. You know how to design the website because you know who your ideal client avatar is. Again, if this is confusing, the worksheet at the end is going to make this very clear, very smooth for you. So just hang on and listen to all of this, all right? Number 4, why having an ideal client avatar is going to double your photography business. You're going to price for your ideal client. Makes sense, right? It's so common sense, but 99% of photographers don't do this. I want you to do it. I want you to have a successful business. You know who to price for. You know who they are. You know their name. You know where they live. You know what kind of job they got. You know what's important to them. You know their income, his and hers. So that puts you already way ahead of your competition. You're not offering things that are out of price for your ideal client avatar. You're not offering things that are so cheaply priced that they must think, they must not be that good if they're that cheap. Right? So knowing who your ideal client avatar is helps you determine your business pricing. And the 5th reason is you're human. You forget. Sometimes you get excited. You want to try this, you want to try that. Your ideal client avatar should be hanging on a wall behind you or on your desk or on a post-it note on your computer monitor. You have to know who they are. So when you get a clever idea, you could think, you know what? That's a great idea, but for somebody else. It's not for my ideal client avatar. that's not where I am. That's not what they're going to appreciate. And that's definitely not what they're going to put money into. So it keeps you in line. It reminds you what your target is, what your bullseye is for your business. It reminds you where your roadmap is. All right. So at the beginning of this video, you may not have been sure how you can get more clients, how you can start charging more, how you can start being more productive in your business. Now you know that you need an ideal client avatar. Cool. But how do you get one? How do you determine what yours is? Well, I got that for you too. What you're going to do is in the description of this video, click the link and sign up for an instant download to get your own worksheet, your mini ideal client avatar worksheet that's going to give you a whole bunch of questions that's going to help you figure out who your ideal client avatar is. When you do this, your road is so much smoother. Your goal is so much more clear. And your profits are so much more. All right, so this is a free download from me. Make sure you check it out. Remember, if you guys are looking for a photo mentor, someone that has already done what you want to do, somebody that will teach you what to do, how to do it, when to do it, definitely click subscribe for this video. I hope that helped you guys. I hope that gave you a little bit more clarity in your business, and I will see you guys on the next video. Don't forget to grab your free download now. Click the link underneath the video and do not forget to subscribe. I will see you guys again next time. Thank you.